How to send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gallery on your device. In Gallery, search for the picture you want to share. Then at the bottom, click on Share. Then you will find all these options. Directly click on Snapchat. Then it will lead you to Snapchat. And at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on Send To, which will open all your friends list, and simply click on the person you want to send and send it. After that, you're good to go. This is how to send snaps with no media upload on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.